In this video, you're going to learn how to test ICs. So please stop replacing good ICs. Watch this video if you want to understand inputs, outputs, control signals, etc. Let's get started. So we're gonna study this circuit. Here basically we have 5 volt 3.3 volt circuit. This is the control IC. Here we have MOSFETs. Over here we have the input. If we check, we're gonna find here 19 volt, as you can see. Also in this side for 3.3 volt we have 19 volt, and this is the output, the 10 channel capacitor. If we check, we have the output 3.3 volt in this side and 5 volt in this 10 ohm capacitor. But the most important here is not the circuits, but how can we know which component is the failed component when the power is missing here in the output. I will teach you the process in order to avoid removing and replacing component randomly. But let's begin from the beginning. In order to get these two voltages here, the IC should be powered. It should receive the VCC, the VA 19 volt, as you can see here, enable signals, clock signal, etc. It should receive first many inputs. After that, it will generate the control signal to control those MOSFETs. Here we have the source, this 3 pin are for source. Here we have the gate. Do you see? The control signal is here. So this MOSFET will generate 3.3 volts. Also for this MOSFET here, we have the gate over here. We have the control signal, means we will get here in this side 5 volt. The same 5 volt that we test here. So to understand 100%, I will make it easy for you. So let's go to the multimeter and select the continuity mode here. So let's select the continuity mode. The continuity mode is selected. Please attention. So this is the circuit, the 3 volt 5 volt circuit. Here we have the control IC. Here we have 2 MOSFETs for each channel. Okay, we have control IC, 2 MOSFETs coil, 10 ohm capacitor in the output. We have 2 MOSFETs coil, 10 ohm capacitor in the output. Okay, so if I put one probe here in the gate, look, this is the gate for this MOSFET. Okay, if I put the probe of the multimeter here and check these pins, as you can see, do you see direct connection between this IC and this MOSFET, means this is the control IC, because we have here another MOSFET. It could be the control IC, but once I get a direct connection, means this IC control this MOSFET. Let's do the same for this MOSFET over here. Okay, here we have the gate. Why? For beginner, here we have the first pin. Okay, the 3 pins for source, always the 4th pin is the gate. So let's check again. Okay, let's just do like this. Okay, here also we have a direct connection, means this IC control this MOSFET. Even if we put the probe here in the coil, we will also get a continuity, because always the coil connected to the phase, as you can see, to the phase of this IC. Same for this coil, as you can see. Even the 10 ohm capacitor also will be connected to the IC, as you can see, just for beginner in order to understand, as you can see. So means this is the circuit, the IC, these coils, 10 ohm capacitors, the MOSFET. You can use the same working principle in every circuit, in every motherboard. And of course, without the inputs, the IC will not generate the outputs. So how can we know the inputs? Of course, you have to refer to the schematic. So as you can see here, we have the schematic for this IC. Basically, this is a TPS 51120. This is a step down control IC for 3 volt 5 volt. Do you see? Those pins with red color are inputs, and with green color are for output. So we're gonna go deeper in the next videos about how to check inputs and outputs in a real time. I hope you understand. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and for anyone who wants more unique content, you can join my Patreon page. All links in the description.